you beautiful people. Today we're at 22 Forestglade here in beautiful Hunt Club Park. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who might like a home just like this. What have we got today, Elliot?
Hey, we've got a pretty nice opportunity here, Sean. It's a single family home, obviously 2 stories, nice sized garage, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and you know what? It's kind of move-in ready.
Absolutely. Not to mention, no rear neighbors. And the neighborhood is really what makes this. We've got walking trails and paths all over Hunt Club Park. Not to mention, you're a short jaunt over to the highway. So getting around the city is an absolute breeze, even though you're so far away. But let's stop talking about it. We'll go inside and have a look.
Oh, I just love coming into homes like this that have a little private foyer area. It really gives you an opportunity to sort of situate yourself before you're thrown into the family event. Another thing I love about the entry is this tile. The tile comes in and it takes you in all different directions. The first one here being my favorite, the powder room. Super convenient, don't even have to take my shoes off. And then even more convenient, laundry and garage access.
And one of the other places you can go is here to this updated kitchen. We've got granite counters, we've got stainless steel appliances, we've got a double sink, and it's connected with this eat-in section. And one of the amazing things about this eat-in section is you've got no rear neighbors, so you can just enjoy a breakfast by yourself.
While your partner hangs out in the family room, living room, whatever you want to call it, it's great. We've got a perfect spot for a TV, gas burning fireplace here, and a huge window. And this flooring is gleaming, beautiful hardwood floors, and that connects back again to that tile towards the front of the house for more space.
And it is perfect. Here is where you will have your formal dining overlooking the front of the neighborhood. And of course, this is an awesome neighborhood and you can see right up the stairs.
Now on my way up to the top floor, I wanted to take a moment here to appreciate this great feature behind me. I love a big window in a stairwell, and this stairwell is really open. I can see right through here back to the family room on my way up, and coming to the top, I have this great landing. Now the landing also gives me an opportunity to look down to the front. While I'm doing that, my toes are being hugged by this nice plush carpet. Now we have a secondary bedroom here, another one there, and a family bath there. Super well located.
And the entrance to the primary, of course, has double doors. We've got unbelievable views out the back with the no rear neighbors, a huge primary, tons of seating, and we've got this awesome spot where we're walking through 2 rows of closets into your 4-piece ensuite. And in the ensuite, we've got a huge tub, a jacuzzi tub, place to do your makeup, shower. I'm just listing off things that exist in a bathroom.
You know what? This bathroom is very clean.
Absolutely.
I don't mind sitting here.
Good.
It's also big. Now coming down to the basement here, we have all kinds of options. First thing I noticed, there's flooring throughout and it's new and it looks great. And there's all kinds of finished space and still room for storage. Rooms everywhere, big room here, whatever you need. There's even a room for Sean.
I was just finishing my treadmill run.
Hey, congrats, man. You know what else we can do down here? We can just spin. There's so much room.
It's huge.
I'm dizzy.
This backyard is super private and it's a great spot, but it's not really the end of this house.
No, that's right, Sean. The house and the property continues out to the back where there are no neighbors. Let's go check it out.
Woo, all right. So just imagine, if you have kids, perfect spot.
To come and stand like this. Or play.
Either one. If you'd like to book your own private showing, as always, give us a call. The phone number 1-888-REAL585. And until then, keep it real.
Collective!